How's it going, guys? It's going off grid. My voice sounds a little funny. It's because I got a bit of a cold. Showing you what we made today. Just enough to survive. Reliable, still doing good. This is the new reworked 8000 watt. Runs everything in the house except for the dryer. I have not tried the hot water heater. We'll try that eventually. It's on the other breaker in my house right now. My house is segregated into like the basement apartment and the upstairs, so it's technically two houses because I have I pretty much have a dryer and everything in the downstairs, and I have the dryer and everything in the upstairs, so all the appliances of two houses in one. Got to get a fan on this guy. This thing gets pretty warm. Even with only around 1000 watts running, it gets quite warm. That fan I need for the 250, just because the 250 gets so stinking warm during the day. The 150 doesn't get warm at all. So, and they got close to the same solar. Oops, sorry about that. That one actually has 1000 watts more. Got a lot more batteries to hook up. But the whole point of this video today is the 3000 watt inverter. I love this inverter. This is probably, I don't know, my favorite inverter, just because this has been so robust. I have 3 of these and I've never had any issues. They're just really, really good inverters. The 3000 watt. I believe the 4000 watt is super reliable too. They have Reliable has 18 month warranty on their 4000 watts, so I believe they're extremely reliable. But I've only bought the 3000 watts and I really like them. And I did a giveaway on these 3000 watts. That being said, you got to be careful. You short out this side, it's going to break. You short out this side while running, it also can break, because if you short this side out, there's capacitors in here and it will back feed, and that will also kill it. So you just got to be careful. Other than that, these have been pretty good. And the giveaway I did, I give it away to, I believe he's in his teens. He's a young adult. He's a very nice guy. And I'm going to be linking his video in the description, and I'm going to be playing a few of his videos in my video. I got his permission. And he did a video of him unboxing it when he got it, and he did a video of him testing the inverter out and doing a slight review, and he really likes it. And let's get to those videos. This is just a shout out to the winner of the inverter giveaway contest.
Hey guys, I am Chris the Valley Guy. I won a contest. If you're not big into electronics, you don't have to understand a word I'm about to say. But the gist of it is that I won a contest where this guy on this YouTube channel called Going Off Grid held a contest, and he had an RV with, I believe, 6 lead acid batteries, or it was either lithium. Can't remember. Point is, it was supposed to put out like 6 kilowatt hours, but I'm still kind of panting from carrying this heavy box so quickly. But he said how much is coming out on the AC side. It was really cold. You had to guess that number. I guessed 2.9 kilowatts. And I won the giveaway. I mean, the giveaway contest. So I'm gonna proceed to open this prize that I got. Now, I know what this is. Y'all don't yet, unless you read the title. If I even put the name of it in the title. But it kind of says pure sine wave inverter on the box. So if you know what that is, good for you. Okay. And I will end up doing a review on this for him. So we got some cables here. These look like, they probably say they're gauge on there, but they're very firm cables. Lower voltage rating, what you normally see. You usually see about 600 volts. I feel like the insulation is slimmer and it actually has more copper, which is seems better. Okay, got a manual and some fuses, and the terminal block for the hardwire setup. Now, okay, this might be kind of difficult. That is heavy. That is what I like to see. Okay, close that. And once I get out of the packaging, you see it has 12 volt listed on there, and that is because it is a 12 volt model, because I don't have enough batteries to do the the other voltages. There is a 48 volt model. I don't know if they really do make the 36 volt models, because that seems less popular. Let me put this down for 1 moment. But yeah, I'm absolutely stoked I won this contest. Oh, that is heavy. So here it is. Now you can see there's 2 outlets, has an on-off switch, which isn't gonna do anything because it's not powered in. But I'm going to want to put the plate that I just got in the box, that little clear acrylic thing over there, on that, because these are live wires. For those of you that don't know and just watch my videos because you like them, these, I don't know which one's the hot. I think it's the black, and then the neutral might, I don't know. It'll say it in the manual, but if you touch the 2 rung of these, or even just one of them, if you touch the casing in one of them, potentially, it'll be like sticking a fork in each one of the prongs of an outlet with both of your hands, or in this case, one of your hands. It's gonna hurt. It's gonna be like you're gonna be shocked with 120 volts. I see a spark whenever I plug it in. That's normal. Wasn't even that big. There's your voltage in. My power supply is at 13.5 volts, and then the output is at 121. And if I plug something in here, it's an inverter. It turns direct current into alternating current. And yeah, it's just a light bulb. It's only a 3.5 watt light bulb. So yeah, and whenever you disconnect, it's gonna give you an alarm because your voltage is dropping and the capacitors are still holding charge. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the top off for you so that you can see the inside. Okay, so this is the demonstration part of the review. I have a plant meter hooked up to it. It's reading out 0. We have a battery hooked up to the inverter, and it's jumper to my dad's Jeep, and it's battery while it's running, so I have enough power on the DC side. Now I'm going to demonstrate its capability by cutting this piece of wood with the chop saw. And I tested this earlier, and it did a maximum of 10 amps out, so I was pulling 10 amps, and I did it hardwired, because it's a bad idea to pull a whole bunch of power through these outlets, because the gauge of wire is not as thick. And the inverter is very capable, I would say. I could probably do more than that, but most people are going to be using it in an application like this, where they're just trying to power something that pulls a lot of power in a work application. If not, more inductive loads, I've done like heater tests, and it's able to run heaters just fine and things like that. As long as you have the power on the DC side, these things run very well.
Alright, so this is the channel of the YouTuber that won the giveaway. It's Chris Bally Guy. I believe I said that right. And yeah, you guys should go over and check out his channel and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys.